is if we fail up here, maybe we do, maybe we don't. I don't know. Looks like we're going to go up higher. Tell you what, above the high, at up at 01, enter an order, a unit to buy a unit up at 01. If we get through, this is a double top, pretty much with earlier in the day. Or not double top, it was resistance earlier in the day. Sorry, 99 even was resistance also earlier in the day. So we bop through it. We should have seen we got support down there at those prior lows, 85 up to 87. So if we maybe come down here again to that 87, what it's looking like, we got a slightly lower high in place after oh, wait a minute, what was that? Tell you what, not the 84, sell a unit down at 84. At 84, that's beneath the prior low of congestion that we saw earlier today. We came down very quickly on that, which is not what we should be seeing. We should be seeing it drift off, or drop more slowly and then rise. We're playing it from both sides, I guess. So whichever side's going to get going is the one we're going to take. Filled. Okay, we're filled on the downside. We sold a unit at 84. Bring your stop down to make it 97. Bring your stop to bring the order, the entry order, the stop order we have above. Bring that down to 97. Okay. Well, hopefully we just haven't. That this hasn't been just the final drop to shake people out before a rise above the high. If so, we will want to be long. Tell you what, yeah, go ahead above the high again. Put an order in above at 99.01, because that way, if we go back on up, well, we'll probably have our stop. We want to be long if we're going to get above here. The first, so far we've come up and broken back down to the low 60s, but this continues. We could have a really large move to the upside, taking out that 99 even area. We want to be in on that. We don't want to be making decisions on getting out of a trade while at the same time we need to be getting in at exactly the same time. New lower low, good. New lower low, bring your stop down 90, bring it down 94 now. Stop on this unit down to 94, a little bit closer, and let's see. This is kind of surprising. I have to revise my opinion. Gosh, that's a dangerous statement. Whenever you have an opinion, they always get in the way. So we don't have an opinion now. At the moment, we got lower lows and lower highs, and those are facts. The facts are right now we've got lower lows and lower highs. Okay, then we are through that 80, the 98.80 area. We're back above it now. Gosh, we're all the way back up to our break even on this. Okay, maybe that's it for the decline. We're going to start coming back up again. Well, 94 is far enough away so that we shouldn't get there. Actually, we shouldn't even get above the 86 or 87 area. I think it is. If we get above that 87, or maybe that's 88, tell you what, bring your stop down to 90. That way we're risking nowhere near as much. Yeah, it's a little bit beyond halfway, but minor. Like I said, if we come up here and go through the high, it'll be a higher low, which should see us move an excursion up to at least the 99.10 area and probably even above that. So for this to be good, we've really got to get down beneath the 70 area and actually beneath that prior low down there. Oh, we do. How about double bottom? We trade 75 again. This looks like there's less of an issue declining than there is rising. We're going down easier than we're going up. Okay, well, we definitely want to be seeing that. 70 trade. Okay. 69 trade. Bring your stop at this point. Bring your stop down to break even. And great. Great. Tell you what, enter a second unit beneath the current low. Down there at 65. Enter a second unit at 65. And if we get back, tell you what, yeah, we shouldn't get up there to our break-even stop. We should definitely not get up there now. Gotta be a little bit careful here, though. I don't want to bring the stop down so close that we get tapped out at halfway. Well, we're already there. But, okay, slightly, it's a lower high. I don't know if we're going to make a lower low here. We got a lot of congestion down here at this. We had we were above and below this 60s area, mid-60s area a few times in the last hour. So it was resistance on the way up and then support on the way down. It's acting like support again now with this. It's a higher low than earlier. Around 1 o'clock. So, well, we could try to take a profit on this before it goes higher. 78 again. Okay. Bring your stop down a few ticks. Bring your stop down a few ticks, maybe a few ticks so that you're covering all the way down through the low. Filled on the second unit. Bump your stop up to 2 units. Bump your stop up to 2 units right away. Bring your stop down to break even. Stop down to break even on 2 units. Great. That is great. Tell you what, bring your stop down to 70 now. Stop down to 70 on 2 units. Whoa! Whoa, beneath the... Holy shit. Pardon my French here. We've bounced up a little bit here. Wow. Let's see. Okay, tell you what, bring your stop down to 65 now. Stop on 2 units down to 65. Maybe we should just hang on here. Let's see, 45. Pretty good rally here. Biggest rally yet since the high up there at 99 even. Okay, higher low, higher high here. Where we're going to stop far enough away. Actually, it's a little bit too far away. Maybe we start to... What was that right there? It traded 53 sideways there. Okay, maybe we're backing down to come off again. We gotta be beneath this prior low, though at 45. Yeah, we gotta get down beneath the 45 before we consider a third unit, if we even decide to do a third unit, that is. Hmm. We could just have a third unit beneath the low down. Well, what does it matter? That's what I was thinking of doing, is entering having the third unit, but we blew so far away there wasn't any spot to put it in. So now, if this rally fails somewhere before the low, we ought to be able to put a third unit on. So that way, if it only comes down to the low, we won't have a big loss on the third unit. Okay, we got a higher high now. Darn. Okay, higher high. 65 or a stop. Higher high, higher low. It looks like it might be heading up from here, and our stop's actually below that prior. Reasonable volume there, though. Coming in to tap that level on that little break to a half, so half seems to have some interest. And we're hovering above it, spiked below it, came right back up to the half area. This is a long way below that mid-60s spot. It really does surprise me. I thought we would hold there to be heading up higher, but tell you what, just so we don't forget about it, get rid of the buy stop above 99 even. Above 99 even, cancel the buy order above 99 even. So that way there's no risk of that being forgotten about. Nothing worse than coming back after taking a break and finding out you're filled on an order which was profitable, then became unprofitable while you were away. We don't like that. Well, it looks like it might be heading up here to slightly higher high in the congestion range. Oh, some volume hits. 45 trades. 44 beneath the current low. Sell a unit at 43. At 43, sell a unit, third unit at 43. This has come off. It's taken out both those lows, and that 44 is 45, 44 is what I was thinking about down there. So if we come down below, we ought to be able to get down a little bit lower here. And in this case, if that's the case, then we can put a stop above the high that we've just made on this bouncing move here. If we go lower, then we're fine. If not, then we'll be able to have the high, or rather we'll be able to move our stop. Tell you what, go ahead, bring your stop down to bring it down to 61 now. Bring your stop on the 2 units we got down to 61, and that way we've got a bit more in the trade. 2 units filled. Okay, we just got filled on the third unit. Bump your stop up to 3 units. And oh, wow, we took out the low down there. Okay, tell you what, bring your stop down to double. Stop down to 55 for 3 units. Stop down to 55. Great. Let's see, bring your stop, tell you what, bring your stop all the way down to 45. Stop down to 45. What is that? Bring your stop down to 43. Last entry. I may end up getting tagged down there. We should probably have been down there a little bit lower. Above the. Tell you what, bring your stop down to 38. Stop down to 38, just in case. That's below the prior high, but that's okay. That earlier spot, we shouldn't get back up there again. let's see on. That's kind of goofy. Okay, we filled. Okay, got where we're filled. Stop on 3 units. Great trade. No, it's smallish by the standards. We're not getting 50 tick winners here on 3 units, but 3 units in place, and we managed to get a profit on that third unit too, rather than getting stopped out on it or having it be a small loss. Great job. Good trade. Okay, we're starting to notice how we're starting to move on with time and sales moving along a little bit better here than we've been earlier.